She's just smashing her way in.
They're so funny.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
Well, I don't know.
Taking
I thought we
it
had
for a
4 new
test drive.
tires.
Well, I do, but they aren't on yet.
Oh, I hear.
I got one on.
thought
Did
that
you
they
guys
were
see
on.
this week's classic tire?
No.
Nice, eh? Notice the spat, the wheel spat, made to look like a white wall.
This guy here.
Yeah,
Is it metal?
it's
Oh
metal,
my God.
and it's made because this is the poverty car. So they painted these trim rings that actually stick out past the wheel to look like you had wide whites. Cool,
Wow,
eh?
That is cool.
So there's one that's not fixed up yet. So anyway, we can't. I wanted to put the other glass in the other side. You see, I changed the windows
I
again.
did, yeah.
Looks better, right?
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah.
So I thought if we got to do that, we should get the thing out of here, and then if we get it out of here, we can put tires on it. And then if it's got tires and glass in it, then we should probably try to get it to start. This is going on the lot, and I need to make room for the 60 Impala. Doesn't matter what happens, sooner or later, it's phone light time.
What are we doing
We're
in these?
dangerous.
Like 30, 40?
Jesus, no, like just like one. Like 1, 3.
One bar.
Does it come off the ground?
Yes.
Okay, then you're done, yeah.
Ready?
One
One.
behind
two,
here, one in the middle. Yeah.
Oh, it's so. How are we at the front?
Oh, we just
It's just, yeah,
We
just
just
crashed.
hit.
We just crashed.
Gosh, did you get it on film?
Oh, it's not
Oh!
in-house collision.
Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I guess we could
This is
move
a
it back
horrible
a little.
idea.
I think we have room at the front now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not touching anymore.
2, 3.
Okay, oh, my foot goes right underneath the back tire, so I assume it will roll. Okay, try it.
2, 3. That's it. That's it.
Stop.
We got a foot.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Francis.
Whoa.
Come
Do
here.
it again. 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's all we need. You doing it?
Hang on.
Hold on. Hold on.
What the hell's going on?
There is a plastic piece.
Your
Oh no.
your French fry container.
Was that all it was?
Look at
Okay. So, okay, now the thing is, if it goes over that edge,
this. It's going into that
It's going-
roadster.
You gotta get that car out of there.
Any shape books?
okay,
That would probably do it, to be honest.
be ready to throw that under
Yeah.
if we say to stop it.
Okay.
But otherwise, I'm just gonna try and straighten it.
Cut
I
it.
can't.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
We're good.
Yeah, we got lots of control.
Where's your car?
Oh, it's out of here. Yeah, you're right. Just straight back. We're out of here.
Yeah, just let her bucket.
Just let her go.
Okay,
Pop the clutch. Pop the clutch.
there we go.
Wow. Look at this, right?
These were like just so far ahead of their time, styling wise. Like look at the way that the roof and the doors, the single shape
Yeah.
and the heart-shaped windows, and like way more glass than any other company.
So you obviously have spare windows.
I had spare side glass, yeah. I've already done those two, and I want to do these two, like get it kind of cleaned up and put it on the lot. It's actually pretty decent. Anyway, whatever. They're almost without value, unfortunately. They're a really nice looking car that I just kind of didn't know they existed when I was a kid. And I saw them and I was like, Kaiser Supersonic.
Oh, that's cool.
Just because it says supersonic, I mean,
That's power right there.
oh, it's just cool.
It's fairly sound. It's just that they're not really.
It's not modified.
It's not like it's really nice. The shame is that it probably was really nice before the previous owner got it. Like I put it back together. This is basically what it looked like before the previous owner wrecked it. 1951 Kaiser Special. I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull this around to the garage there, and just keep at it. We got to do the rest of the glass on the other side is broken, and obviously we got one decent tire and got 3 more waiting. I guess if we get that far, we'll open the hood and see what's going on under there. I haven't looked at the engine in this car in many years, and I did fill it up with oil many years ago before I parked it, but probably still stuck. Anyhow, that's it. It's nice to see it out in the daylight though. Tractor Gnome t-shirts next.
Yeah. Franco's.
Foreman's here. Who's that?
You came just in time. Thought his blood pressure is gonna make his head fall off.
What happened?
We're putting new windows in this thing.
Well, you do the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're doing this side.
Oh, okay.
And it's
Yeah.
yeah.
And it's going good? No?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's just me. Just had too much coffee.
Maybe you better
Roid
have a
rage.
smoke and calm
Oh,
down.
I wish. I wish.
Well, my cat's
Huh.
out of the house.
Oh yeah?
The
Oh,
other
living
morning,
with the other
yeah,
cats? or
well, the other day, I went outside and I come back in. My wife she's in tears. He says, I can't take this cat in here anymore. So this one was a nightmare. I tell you, it jumps up on everything.
so what was the last straw? Did it wreck something?
Yeah, well, it gets into her flowers and knocks the pots over and kicks dirt all over the goddamn place. And then he gets up on the tables and, like.
Cat stuff.
So anyway, I put it out into the house with the other cats there, you
Yeah,
know, and I was not happy there for a while.
it'll
I
be
thought I
fine,
better stay with it, and it kind of hissed and shook there for a
Really?
couple hours, eh?
Uh-huh.
And then this other younger cat come in, and it kind of got along with
Really?
it a bit.
That's
so,
all it needed was one
yeah,
friend,
yeah,
eh?
one cat that was a little bit better with her. So anyway, I opened the hatch up because they got a little hatch there at the bottom,
Yeah.
where they can go in and out,
Yeah.
I know. So she came out and she come out there and she's looking around like, holy shit, this is a big world.
That's right.
Well, you can take the one on the left side and put it in this side.
This one isn't missing any glass though.
Yeah.
It's broken, but no pieces are missing. So we might as well put that in, because at least it won't let birds and cats in it.
Well,
Water. It's better than nothing. I don't have time to go get a new window made. This one's half apart already.
the right size?
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it is better than the one that's in there.
Better than nothing, because that's what we got.
There's lots of parts in here. You got a clip?
There's the little guy.
Okay.
Now,
Tip. Pull out. You have to have that window down. Pull it out.
okay,
That's the broken.
then we got to get
Don't
this
put
guy
that
out.
one back in.
Which we have right here.
Actually, they go in pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah, once
Yeah.
you've done enough of them,
Yeah.
it gets going pretty fast. Then the little tiny one. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You lose it?
Watch.
Not yet?
It's just like watching
Losing it
a
now.
parade of 4-year-olds trying to put a car together.
I'm sure glad you said that.
Zip. Okay, those are in, that's in. Does the window go up? Yes. Okay, let's put everything else. We got a door handle.
Still the first latch, eh?
No, that's second. I
Is
just
it?
moved it too far.
There. Good enough. Now, what do you need to turn the engine on?
A new engine.
Yeah.
A 3/4?
Luckily, I have a new engine. Well, another engine. Oh, that's better. It's not great, but it's better. Next will be, yeah, let's try the engine. I don't give a shit. Okay. Tom, are these positive or negative ground?
I think they're negative ground, aren't they?
That's what we're gonna go with.
As far as I know. Huh?
Yeah. Fits on the positive.
No.
Does that? So this should fire it. Nothing, eh?
Well, the starter is probably seized up, eh?
Yeah. Well, so is the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right? Well, we'll have to try again.
Yeah, there's always something to do.
Oh,
bugger.
Jesus, you alright?
Yeah.
That's why we wear hats.
Yeah, hard hats.
Yeah. Well, we'll let it soak, but I think we'll just end up pulling the head off. I seem to recall there was mice in it. And once the mice start kissing in it, you gotta take it apart. New tires and shine it up and get it running, and it'll sit right there. Show you the shaft.
No.
See you tomorrow, buddy. Come on, let's go. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.